Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Overmont Oversized Folding Camping Chair, a robust and comfortable seating solution perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. This chair is crafted from durable double-layer tear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric, featuring a sponge cushion for enhanced comfort and breathability, and it boasts a remarkable weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, thanks to its sturdy, scratch-resistant paint-coated frame and non-slip textured feet. Designed with convenience in mind, it includes mesh pockets on the side and back, a cooler bag, and a durable mesh cup holder, ensuring you have easy access to your essentials while camping, hiking, or traveling. Its fully padded backrest and armrests are ergonomically designed to provide ultimate comfort, allowing you to relax for extended periods whether you're at the beach, camping, or simply enjoying your garden. Setting up the chair is a breeze. Just take it out of the carrying bag, expand the frame, and you're ready to unwind. When folded, it measures a compact 39 by 6.2 by 6.2 inches and weighs only 11 pounds, making it incredibly portable for all your adventures. Remember, this chair is specifically designed for individuals with a larger build or those seeking a more spacious seating option, so be sure to check the dimensions to ensure it's the right fit for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.